Let's solve this gate question. See here, what are the things we are given? Okay, let's see. Here we are asked to find line integration. Here we are asked to find the line integration of this vector along contour C, and this contour is a parabola y equals to x square, and this varies from -1 to 1. Okay, this contour varies from -1 to 1, sorry, -1 to 2 along x-axis. Okay, these are the main points that we need to keep in mind and solve this question. Okay, let's see how we can proceed to solve this question. See, what we are asked to find is we are asked to find integration of f dot dl along contour C. Okay, this we have to find. Now let's understand the each and every points of this given integration. Okay, let's see. This is what, this is basically y equals to x square. Okay, y equals to x square, therefore we can write it as dy equals to 2x dx. Okay, so and what is this f, we can write it as ax is similar to I cap. Okay, therefore we can write y I cap minus x j cap. Okay, and dl you can write it as, dl is what, dx I cap plus dy j cap. See, now we know everything. We will put in the integration, then it will be very easy to solve this question. Okay, now let's see what we can how we can proceed. Just simply put this values that we have obtained out here. Okay, and solve. Okay, let's see how we can solve this question. See, here we have contour C, and f is y I cap plus, sorry, minus x j cap, and you have to multiply, sorry, this is not multiply, this is a dot product. Okay, you know very well how you can find dot product. Dx I cap, see, this you can solve only when if you know the dot product. Okay, so after doing dot product you can obtain, just do dot product. Okay, y dx minus x dy. Okay, x dy, and this is a contour. Y square is equal to x square, sorry, this is a y equals to x square, and from here dy equals to 2x dx. Okay, so replace this thing. Okay, replace this value. We will replace, this means x square, and dy means 2x dx. Okay, now we will replace this value. Okay, just replace this value and solve. Okay, after replacing, what you will get, and you know that x varies from -1 to 2. Okay, x varies from -1 to 2. Okay, so we'll do out here, x varies from -1 to 2. See, why we are doing x, because everything is in x. Okay, everything, see, everything is in x, that's why we are doing x varies from -1 to 2. Okay, so x square minus minus x into 2x dx. Okay, so finally what you will get here is -1 to 2 minus x square dx. So if you solve this integration, you will get -1 as common, and this will be x cube upon 3, and -1 to 2, so it become -1. It will be 2 cube, 8 upon 3, minus -1 upon 3, so it will become like -9 upon 3. It will be so finally we will get -3 as a answer. Okay, this is a required answer. So this is how we can solve this question. Okay, it's very easy. This was asked in gate 2022.